Tip number 1. Frame the experiments in a playful way. Here are some ideas. Set up a fun role for the kids to play. For example, laughing like an evil scientist whenever you make an interesting discovery.
What did I make?
Curly.
Oh, curly pieces. I made curly pieces.
Once you set up the role, stay in character.
What kinds of shapes did I make? Most importantly, let me laugh first. Can I try it again? Here we go. Oh, yeah. Let's
Can
see.
you make your clothes move?
Look how bouncy they are.
If this was your body, can we make our body move like the curl?
Can you move like the curl?
Can you move like a curl?
Engage kinesthetic learners by inviting the kids to move their bodies like the paper. Make art with your students and make space for the class to play with their paper creations as puppets, toys, or costumes. Tip number 2. Let kids take charge. You will begin by guiding the students through steps that repeat for each experiment. As you repeat the steps, the kids will start to jump ahead, call out, and talk to each other about their discoveries without you. This is a sign that they have ownership of this exploratory process. Ideally, you'll end up with a room full of artists experimenting and sharing their discoveries. Tip number 3. Use student knowledge. Often, kids will be excited to share paper manipulation techniques that they already know. For example, how to fold origami, or wind pieces of paper around pencils to make curls.
She's rolled the paper. Can I unroll it so they can see what you did? Check it out. She sort of rolled it like that. And then when you unroll it a little bit, you can see the spiral inside. That's another fun thing to do with paper. Yes. You did the technique and now it bounces. Oh my goodness. Can I show everyone so they can see? Somebody has discovered that if you do this accordion fold and you press it down and you let go, it actually springs.
Make space for kids to teach the rest of the class what they know, or what they discovered during the lesson.
Yeah, go around and charge everybody.
Tip number 4. Make a chart together. Work with your class to make a visual chart of all the torn paper collage techniques that they've learned and encourage them to continue adding to it as they discover more. Tip number 5. We are using, not wasting, paper. During independent art making time, kids will find and make the shapes they need from the papers that they tore during the lesson. However, they may need additional paper to execute specific ideas or to conduct additional experiments. Exploring and experimenting with material is not wasteful. Not every experiment leads to a product, and that's okay.
Does anybody need any colors? No? You guys are good? Oh, I love the way you're putting the green on top of the red. You know,
Tip number 6. Notice, describe, and ask. Use independent art making time to notice and describe the choices kids are making with specificity and to ask them about their work.
can you tell us about that?
Coral,
Coral, and this is the kelp, right?
yeah, and some of it's going to be coral.
Neat. And I like the way did you tear this extra? And you found it just like
I
that?
just found it just like
And
that.
it's a good find. And look, I see you got a curl here. Did you tear that? Or was that a find?
No, I'm just finding all of it.
You are a good finder.
But I'm just like getting big pieces and then mortaring them.
Wow, you have a good eye for shapes. I can see that. You're finding good shapes.
I'm going to make
Tip number 7. Be flexible. During independent art making time, kids may or may not choose to use the techniques that you introduced in the lesson. They may want to use glue or scissors. They may quickly create puppets and want to spend their independent art making time playing with them. Be prepared to follow their lead and say yes to their ideas.
Do you want to be the plane or do you want to be Godzilla?
The two.
You want to do both of them? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm going to put the glue away.
Bang. Oh.
Oh no! Da, 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 the plane.
It's still coming.
I can't get it. I can't get it. Ow! The plane defeated Godzilla.
Yay!